Hi, welcome to my art channel. My name's Nikki. Thank you for joining me today. These are the colours I am using today. We'll start with this one. This is a mix of two This Little Piggy colours, Abalone and Billabong. So pretty. This one is Tri-Art Cobalt Teal. This is Tri-Art Magenta. This is the nicest magenta I've ever used. It's gorgeous. I love magenta, but that is the best magenta. This is Atelier Pale Gold. I'm using the rich gold and the iridescent precious gold for my cell activator, so I needed to have some contrast. And this is, oh, it's Quilla Violet, also Tri-Art. Beautiful colour. Cell activators, I'm using two. Both two colours mixed together. This is Atelier and Amsterdam, equal parts, and titanium white, obviously. And this, as I said, is Atelier Rich Gold and Pebeo Precious Gold. Both mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 1.5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. But my Floetrol is a bit thin at the moment, so it could, if yours is thicker, it does vary from batch to batch. It might be 2 parts, so you need to kind of find a consistency that you're happy with. We all like something different. Some people like 4:1, some people like 1:1, so anywhere in between. There's no rules. You just do what you like best, what you find gives you the best results. I'm also adding another TLP pigment. This is equal parts Bourgogne and Brulee. It doesn't normally look this yellowy, it looks very pale lemon, so I reckon I've dripped another colour into it, and that's why it looks that colour. I'm using a round canvas today. It's 12 inches, 30 centimetres. I'm going to put some music on for you now. I hope you like this. You'll see at the end that it looks slightly different because I added some gold dots. I just used the end of wooden dowels, 2 different size wooden dowels, dipped it into my CA, my gold CA, and just literally put it on. I didn't film it because I've done it before, you've seen me do it before, so yeah, it's boring if you keep watching me doing the same thing, isn't it? So thank you all for joining me. I appreciate every single one of you, and everybody take care, stay safe, and I hope you like this. Bye.
Take it all off, make me go insane. You making me see, yeah. I want you to scream, yeah. I like that melanin. You make me go na 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 na. She got that melanin. La 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 la. Umaro, umaro, mere to, umaro, umaro, mere to, melano, umaro, mere to, umaro, umaro. First time I laid eyes upon you, big smile and my thighs, I caught you. There's a pile, let me put cuffs on you. You know, I swear I adore merito, yeah. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Mellano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Umano, umano. Umano, umano, merito, merito. Merito, merito.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city